In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect your PS5 to your phone's hotspot. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to link your PS5 to your phone's hotspot, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. On your phone, go to Settings and find the Personal Hotspot option. If you can't locate it directly, check under Mobile Data and then Personal Hotspot. Toggle on Allow Others to Join and take note of your Wi-Fi password, as you'll need this shortly to connect your PS5. While keeping your phone's hotspot settings open, switch to your PS5. On your PS5, access the settings by tapping the top right corner. Then navigate to Network, followed by Settings, and select Set up Internet Connection. Look for your phone's hotspot network in the Available Networks list. If it's not there, ensure your phone's personal hotspot is active. You can also adjust the Wi-Fi frequency bands on your PS5 to automatic. Choose your hotspot network, enter the password, and confirm. Your PS5 will perform a connection test. Once connected, your phone will display a green icon in the top left corner, indicating that the PS5 is using the phone's hotspot for internet access. Remember, using your PS5 with the phone's hotspot will consume mobile data, so ensure your data plan allows for this. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more useful content. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnetguide.com.